In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Steam download cache. If Steam downloads are stuck, moving unusually slowly, or not starting properly, clearing the download cache can often help fix the issue. This process removes temporary download data that may be causing problems, and it's a useful troubleshooting step if Steam isn't behaving the way it should. Just keep in mind that after clearing the cache, Steam will restart and you'll need to sign in again, so make sure you're ready for that before you begin. Start by opening Steam and looking at the very top left corner of the window. There, click on Steam to open the main menu. This is where you'll find the app's general settings and account-related options. From that menu, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, you'll see a list of categories along the side. These sections let you manage different parts of the Steam client, including storage, interface, and downloads. Next, click on Downloads. This area contains the settings related to game downloads, update behavior, and download region preferences. It's also where Steam places the option to clear the download cache, since this feature is specifically tied to download-related issues. Now look for the button labeled Clear Download Cache and click it. When you do this, Steam will prepare to remove the temporary cached download files. This does not uninstall your games, and it doesn't delete your Steam library. It simply clears the stored download data that may be interfering with normal performance. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you want to continue. Go ahead and click Confirm. This is the final step that tells Steam to proceed with clearing the cache and restarting the client. After that, Steam will restart automatically. Once it reopens, you'll need to sign in again with your account credentials. That's a normal part of the process, so don't be surprised if you're taken back to the login screen. After signing in, you can return to your downloads and check whether the issue has been resolved. If you were having trouble with paused downloads, update loops, or content that wouldn't install correctly, this quick reset often helps Steam start fresh. And that's how to clear the Steam download cache. It's a simple fix, takes only a minute, and can be one of the easiest ways to solve common download problems in Steam.